Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to set up a powerful yet easy to manage CRM using Smartsheet, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a CRM in Smartsheet in just a few minutes using built-in templates, even if you're completely new to CRMs or to Smartsheet itself. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start tracking your contacts, staying organized, and managing your business relationships all in one spot. Let's jump straight in. Once you're on the Smartsheet homepage, the very first thing you want to do is look for the Create or the plus sign button. It should be easy to spot, usually sitting up in the top left or right, just calling out for action. Go ahead and click that. This is where all the magic starts because creating from scratch can be overwhelming, but Smartsheet makes it easy by offering a variety of templates. Today, we'll take full advantage of that. After you click the Create button, look for the option that says Browse Templates or View All Templates. Don't be shy about it, it's there to speed things up for you, and using templates is exactly what the pros do when they want to hit the ground running. Click to view all the available templates. You'll see a wide range of pre-built solutions pop up, and it might feel a little like window shopping through a store filled with productivity tools. Each template is designed for a different purpose, but today, let's focus on finding one that says CRM or Customer Relationship Management. Once you locate the CRM template, sometimes called Personal CRM or Professional CRM, give it a click to check it out. What you'll see is basically a ready-to-use foundation that Smartsheet has kindly set up for you. Instead of staring at a blank page, you've instantly got a dashboard, a list of sample contacts, and even forms to make adding new people to your CRM super simple. At this point, you'll probably notice a bunch of random sample contacts already filled in. Don't worry, they're just placeholders there to show you the ropes. Think of them like mannequins in a clothing store. You don't need to keep them, but they help you imagine how you can arrange your own contacts and information. You'll see sections such as personal contacts, professional contacts, a CRM dashboard, a CRM sheet, and a handy new contact form. This setup is actually more complete than most people expect, and it's a great starting point for any team or solo entrepreneur. Now here, where you can make it truly yours. Take a few moments to go through the sample data, replacing it with your real contacts and customizing any fields that matter most to you. Maybe you want to track follow-up dates, deal amounts, or client birthdays. Just click on the columns to rename them or add your own flair. You can even adjust the dashboard visuals to prioritize what's most important to your workflow. It might take a few extra minutes to personalize, but trust me, having these little tweaks will make your CRM not only efficient but tailored to the way you do business. And if you get stuck, don't worry, Smartsheet's interface is quite friendly and you can always undo any changes. Once you're satisfied, you basically have a fully functional CRM ready to go. Whether you're managing contacts for a massive team or just keeping tabs on your own network, this setup can scale with you. Alright, that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to share how you're customizing your CRM in Smartsheet. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.